Alright, YouTube squad, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some money fast online, easy money that you can do in your spare time and get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin or gift cards, however you choose. Alright, and if you stick around for the end of this video, I'm going to even give you a bonus on how you can make even more money. Alright, so stick around. I'm going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said in the intro there, I'm going to show you how to make some easy money from home in your spare time, and you can do it from a phone or a computer while you're watching TV or whatever. Alrighty, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and haven't yet subscribed to the channel, by golly, I can't imagine what's keeping you from it. Just reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Alrighty? Alrighty guys. Well, with that out of the way, like I said too, also if you want to stick around toward the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus on how you can make even more money. Passive income money. Alright? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started in today's video here. Kind of anxious to show this to you. It's a very easy way to do it. And we're going to come over here to the Opera browser and load up this site right here. It's called Get Paid To. You see that right there? Up here in the address bar is getpaid2.com. Getpaid2.com. Now, what you can do on this site, it's free to join. This can be done anywhere in the world. And you can do surveys, you can play games, and you can get quick points, offer walls, and you can cash out on any way that you want, which I'll show you here in just a second. Alright, so yeah, like we saw here, surveys, games, quick points, and offer walls. And here's how it works. Just do the tasks, earn points. 5,000 points equals $1. And you can accumulate these points really quick, easy. And then you can get paid. Of course, you can redeem it for cash or cryptocurrency or gift cards of your choice. Alright, so they have fun online games. Some of the popular games that they have are all kinds of what you'd see, like most people play these on like their cell phones and those types of things. And they do have some pretty cool games in here. I like the pool and the golf challenge. I like golf games and pool games myself, but there's all kinds of games here. The most popular games here that you can play and simply make points and get points just for playing games. I mean, it's pretty easy. And then down here they show you can actually get when you redeem your points for money or whatever, you can have the money transferred straight to your bank account to Skrill, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrencies, Amazon gift card, and of course PayPal, right? And if you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy to create one. Just go over to paypal.com, click sign up, and you use a good email address there that you sign up with. And then of course, after you sign up with PayPal and you come here and you join this, you want to sign up using that PayPal email address that you used there, so you can be sure you get your money over to PayPal. Okay? Alright, so that's basically what we do here. What I'm going to do is come over here to the frequently asked questions area, and it talks about does it cost anything to be a member of Get Paid To? The answer is no. Joining Get Paid To is completely free, and we do not deduct any fees from your earnings, so that's a good thing right there. And then just create your account. It's easy as entering your email address, username, and password. In fact, if you click on join up here at the upper right, you can see it gives you a little application here. Just you want to pick a username and a password, and you confirm it, your email address, and then first name, last name, date of birth, and the country you're in. As you can see, as I told you before, this is free to join and can be done literally from anywhere in the world. Okay? Doesn't matter where you're at, as long as you got internet connection and a computer or cell phone with internet access. Of course, you're eligible to do this. And then your city and your current zip code. And you can check out for their newsletter here to not miss out on any of the latest opportunities. Click the I agree button here for their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then check this damn little thing down here about you're not an electronic gadget, kind of thing there, and then just click complete the registration. All right, so that's easy enough to get signed up here. And the nice thing about this too is they have a referral on this too. You can be an affiliate here, and you can have friends or family or other people that sign up through you, and you earn a portion of points from what they earn, okay, which can add up to even more money on this site. Now, and it says here how to earn points. GPT points work as virtual currency and are what you're paid when you complete the tasks on the site. And you earn points by completing tasks. Each task has a set value of points allocated to it, and these are the amount of points you earn on completion of the task. Points are awarded immediately after you have finished your task, and on average take between 5 minutes to 48 hours to show in your account. So you just come here every day and you just keep working at it and playing games and doing surveys and whatever on here, and your points will just keep stacking up pretty quick. I would imagine within one week's time you could probably get more than 5,000 or enough points to equal several dollars in your account. And it says here, how do I earn points watching videos? Just click the video and watch it, and you'll earn points once you have reached the end of the video. And then also you can do with people ask you what you can do. You can change your points for gift cards and or simply cash them out to your PayPal or your bank account, whichever you set up for that. And do my points expire? Well, if you fail to log in for 12 months, so in other words, if you sign up today, do a few things, get a few points, and then don't come back to it after a whole year, your account will be deemed to be inactive, and you'll forfeit your points and lose them. So you don't want to, you don't want to build up a whole lot of points and then just forget about this for a whole year. You want to keep doing this. Keep logging in every so often and either build more points up or cash out what you have. Right? And surveys the same thing. Just need to register, sign up to get paid too, and then visit the survey section and start earning. See some of the well, they got a bad link there, it looks like. But anyways, the surveys, I think up here, if we click on surveys here, it should load. Yeah, here we go. And you can click plenty of different companies here that you can work through their surveys and get lots of points doing surveys here as well. And we come back to the frequently asked questions. And so there's the survey part. You can do tasks and offers. Sponsored offers include free offers, free trials, freebies, product trials, surveys, free quotes, and small purchases made for applications for things like credit cards or to join an organization. And then just complete the offers and how our offers approved and paid. Once the offers have tracking codes on them, and then which allow your system to log correctly, complete a task. Completed task is then approved automatically and then paid by points into your account, and each survey will show you how much it's valued at or allocated points for each survey or offer. I mean, offers, not surveys. Same thing with surveys, though. It's going to be allocated points. Here's the referral program I was telling you about. They have an affiliate program. You can earn 15% commission on the points your referrals earn from paid tasks as well. So if your friend earns 100 points, you'll be rewarded 15 points as your commission. If your friend earns 200 points, you will be rewarded 30 points per commission. So, and then they do a telephone verification here. Now, once you sign up, you're going to verify by your cell phone or a landline. If you have a landline telephone number, they will verify that you are who you say you are. Sort of like that CAPTCHA where you click where it says I'm not a robot, sort of similar to that. They want to verify that you are who you say you are, right? Pretty easy, actually. It looks like that's pretty simple, straightforward there how to do that. You guys can come here and check out these frequently asked questions here. And then games, and it says, can I seriously get paid to play games? Yes, simply head over to the game section, launch the games window, then you're ready to start earning. Remember, always try to complete the game in order to get credited correctly for the game play. So once you start your game, just go ahead and finish it on out, which most of these games I don't think take very long to play, to do them anyway. It says my game has earned 60,000 points, but you've only credited me an X amount. So apparently the games, you can earn quite a bit for playing games. You can even get on a leaderboard in a challenge and to work your way up to even get more points, to maximize your earnings. And we've chosen several exciting games available from our provider, and we're giving you a chance to claim extra points for mastering your play. All in-game scores are being registered into the daily leaderboard. Top 20 highest scores are entitled to a bonus. So there you go. You can even get on a leaderboard here and get bonuses for ranking up higher on the leaderboard. You can make even more points quicker that way. That's kind of cool, actually. That's kind of a cool way. And so on and so forth. And then, so pretty much, guys, that's how you can make some good money on this website right here in your spare time. You can do this while you're watching TV or just about anywhere, sitting on the beach or whatever, and make money through stacking up your points on this site. All right. Now, how would you guys like to make even more money, passive income, doing what I do? You can start your own business and make a passive income. But what's passive income? Most people ask the question about what is passive income. Passive income is making money while you sleep. Okay, you can be on vacation on the beach, you can be at a restaurant eating dinner with your family, you can be anywhere, and the next time you check your email account, you see that you have a commission. So you've made money while you weren't working on your business. So all you need to do to get involved with that and make more money doing what I do, just reach down there below and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. And I'm going to tell you a secret about this, actually.
You can have your business up and running all for the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee in 15 days or less and make your first sale.
Alrighty, guys, reach down there below and click that mentorwithkev.com and come over, get signed up, see my video, my personal video, where I try to get to know you a little bit better, and then check out the business that's there after you click the continue button. And notice also that after you watch the video on the business page there where it tells you a little bit more about it, you will see that there's over $3,000 worth of bonuses that you can get for that cheap amount that I just told you about in that little secret there. Okay, alrighty, guys, I'm gonna let you go with that, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you get notified, give me a thumbs up if you got a little value out of this video here, and I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. I'll see you later. Bye bye now.